Hello everyone. Let me ask you something. Do you feel like learning new skills is very slow? Do you watch many videos but still don't improve? Do you want to learn faster but don't know how? What if I tell you? You can learn anything faster, even if you are not very smart. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I will show you a simple system to learn anything fast. Whether it is English speaking, video editing, MS Office, or any skill you want. No complicated words. No boring theory. Only simple steps that actually work. And make sure you watch till the end. Because I will give you a powerful formula that can change the way you learn forever. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And share this video with your friends. Let's start. First, understand this. Most people are not slow learners. They just use the wrong method. Common mistakes. Watching too many videos. Not practicing. Learning everything at once. Fear of mistakes. Because of this, they waste months or years. But today, I will show you a simple system. If you want to learn fast, first ask yourself, why do I want to learn this? Your reason gives you energy. Example. Don't say, I want to learn English. Say, I want to speak English in job interview. Don't say, I want to learn editing. Say, I want to earn money from video editing. Clear reason is equal to fast learning. Write your reason in one line. Many people make a big mistake. They try to learn everything. But smart learners focus on basics first. Because basics give maximum result. Example, video editing basics. Cut video. Add music. Add text. That's enough to start. Example, English basics. 100 common words. Daily speaking. Simple sentences. Remember this. Basics first, advanced later. This is a powerful rule. 20% learning gives 80% results. You don't need to learn everything. Example, MS Word. You only need typing, bold and font, save file, print. That's it. Don't try to become expert on day one. Focus on useful things only. This is the biggest secret. You don't learn by watching. You learn by doing. Watching is equal to 10% learning. Doing is equal to 90% learning. Example. If learning English, speak 5 lines daily. Record your voice. Talk with friend. If learning editing, edit one small video daily. Even if it is bad, do it. Bad practice is better than no practice. You don't need 5 hours daily. Just 30 to 60 minutes is enough. But do it every day. Wrong way, 5 hours once a week. Right way, 30 minutes daily. Daily learning trains your brain. Consistency beats talent. Best free learning method in 2026. YouTube plus practice. Use this formula, watch pause practice. Example, watch 10 minutes tutorial. Practice 20 minutes. Done. Don't binge watch tutorials. Action is more important than watching. Here is a powerful trick. If you teach, you learn faster. After learning something, explain it to a friend, your sibling, or even yourself. You can also start a small Instagram page or teach on YouTube. Teaching makes your brain stronger. Here is a powerful trick. If you want fast growth, remove this one thing. Fear of mistakes. Every expert was once a beginner. If you speak wrong English, speak anyway. If you make bad videos, upload anyway. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are training. The more mistakes you make, the faster you grow. Write daily progress in a notebook. Example. Day 1, learned basic cuts. Day 2, added music. Day 3, export video. This gives motivation. Small wins create big success. Now here is the golden formula. Remember this. Clarity plus basics plus daily practice plus no fear is equal to fast learning. If you follow this, you can learn any skill faster than 90% people. Not talent. Not money. System matters. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and share. And comment below, what skill do you want to learn fast? I can make a step-by-step plan for you. Subscribe for simple videos on English speaking, skills, self-improvement. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.